Hello everyone, welcome to Ms. Zach's Kitchen. I had a lot of feedback on the asana video that I made, and I have received a lot of messages asking if yellow corn kernel can be used for asana, as the white maize kernel is very difficult to find abroad unless you travel to Ghana or any African country. So I decided to use the corn kernel, the yellow corn kernel, to make some asana. You see the popcorn one, the one they used to make popcorn. Yes, that one. Let's see if it's going to be epic or fail. Let's get started. So I have my yellow corn kernel in a bowl. As usual, I am going to wash the corn and strain the water off. Add water. Cover it and leave it for 3 days. On day 3, strain the water off. Welcome. If you feeling famished, this is where to be. Put the yellow corn kernel into the colander or any bowl to start the germination process. Spread the corn kernel apart. Cover it. Next day, sprinkle a bit of water on the corn kernel. And then strain the remaining water on the tray off. Be sure to water the corn kernel morning and evening because all seeds need water, oxygen, and proper temperature in order to germinate. So water it morning and evening, okay? By day 4, the corn kernel should germinate beautifully. See how beautiful it is? Yes. So we are going to begin the drying process. Dry it in the sun, or you can dry it indoors as well. It actually depends on the weather, but you can dry it indoors. This is how it looks after drying. So we're going to grind it. Be sure to use a good grinder to grind the corn in order not to destroy the grinder, okay? So avoid grinding into powdery form. This is how it should look like. In a bowl, add in the germinated grinded corn kernel. Welcome. If you feeling famished, add water. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurement in the description box. Put it on fire and bring it to a boil. I'm going to boil this for about an hour. It's time to prepare the caramelized sugar. So in a pot, add your sugar, put it on medium heat. Give it a stir. The sugar will start to melt. The sugar will start to clump up. But this is normal. Just continuously stir to avoid burning. Keep stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. My corn kernel solution has been boiling for more than an hour and a half now. Keep stirring until the caramelized sugar starts to bubble up. As usual, if you would notice, there is a drop in the water level, which shows that the corn kernel solution is almost ready to be added to the caramelized syrup. As soon as the caramelized syrup starts to bubble up, start adding the corn kernel solution. Be very careful when adding the corn kernel solution, as it splatters and can burn you. So just be extra careful when pouring the corn solution into the caramelized syrup. Okay? Strain the corn solution through a fine mesh sieve, because we do not want to be biting on crushed corn. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Welcome. If you're feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. And voila! Our yellow corn kernel asana is ready. Leave it to cool before drinking it. You can drink the asana on the same day of preparing it. However, it tastes much better when you leave it to sit for 1 to 3 days after preparing it. It actually depends on the weather condition as well. If it's very hot, I will suggest you leave it to sit for 1 to 2 days before drinking it. Asana is best served with ice cubes. This drink is so refreshing, and I hope you give it a try. The yellow corn kernel is so easy to find, so if you cannot get the white maize kernel, grab yourself some yellow corn kernel and make yourself some asana. Okay, asana is so refreshing. You can add milk to your asana, but this is optional. You can drink it without the milk as well, and it tastes so good. This recipe is epic. Okay, using the corn kernel to make asana is epic, and it tastes the same as using the white maize kernel. Okay, so feel free to use it. All right, and to my new subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos and subscribing. And to my old subscribers, thank you all for the support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Until the next video, bye for now. Welcome. If you're feeling fabulous, this is where to be. Cause we got what you like. Food made with love, Zach's Kitchen. We make everything African, yeah. For your foods and snacks, know that we got your back. Gentle ladies, welcome to Zach's Kitchen.